Hello and welcome to the Eclectic Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you my recipe for spicy chicken tortillas, along with a quick and creamy yogurt-jalapeño dip. First, I'm going to slice around 600 grams of chicken thighs into medium thick strips. I prefer thighs because they're more flavorful and juicy, but chicken breast will work great too. Place the chicken into a bowl and add half a teaspoon each of cumin, cayenne pepper and garlic powder, a teaspoon of salt, a few cracks of black pepper, 2 to 3 tablespoons of Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and about a tablespoon of lemon juice or pickled jalapeno brine. Gently massage everything into the meat and let it marinate for at least 30 minutes, or ideally overnight. The yogurt and brine will tenderize the chicken and help all those spices soak in. Now for the jalapeno dip. I'm using 4 tablespoons of Greek yogurt that I've let drain in the fridge for a couple of hours. This step is optional but gives a thicker, creamier texture. Add the yogurt to a bowl along with a tablespoon of mayonnaise, half a teaspoon each of onion and garlic powder, and about a third of a teaspoon of salt and pepper. I'm using pickled jalapenos here because I love their tangy flavor, but fresh or even dried jalapenos will work just fine. Roughly chop enough to get around 2 teaspoons and stir them in. Finally, add a tablespoon of lemon juice and whisk until smooth. I like the dip nice and thick, but if you prefer it a little runnier, just add a splash of jalapeno brine or use regular unstrained Greek yogurt. Keep in the fridge until you're ready to serve. For the vegetables, start by slicing a medium onion into strips, not too thin so it doesn't burn in the oven. Then take one red and one green bell pepper, cut them in half, remove the seeds and membranes, and slice them into strips. Season with about a third of a teaspoon of smoked paprika, half a teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon each of salt and pepper, and a third of a teaspoon of garlic powder. Drizzle generously with olive oil and toss everything together until evenly coated. Spread the vegetables on a baking dish in a single layer. I give the vegetables a 10-minute head start in a preheated 200 Celsius oven. This allows them to soften and start caramelizing before you add the chicken. After 10 minutes, remove the tray and layer the marinated chicken evenly over the vegetables. Try not to pile the pieces on top of each other too much, but don't worry if some overlap. Return the tray to the oven and bake for about 20 minutes. For an extra bit of char and color, switch on the broiler for the final 5 minutes of cooking. Once everything is done, take the tray out and let it rest for a few minutes. The chicken should be juicy, the peppers tender and the onions slightly caramelized, creating a rich, flavorful sauce at the bottom. Now, I know I called this a tortilla recipe, but this filling will work beautifully with other sides. Serve it over rice, couscous or even roasted potatoes, anything that can soak up the delicious pepper and onion sauce. But if you're using tortillas, just fill them up with the chicken and vegetables, add a spoonful of that jalapeno yogurt dip, wrap it up and enjoy! If you liked the video, leave a like and consider subscribing for more recipes from the Eclectic Kitchen. Until next time, bon appetit!